Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a curve. Parallelly, we draw another straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines. And parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Then, we divide it. Now, it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the roof, the top of the house. Red color. Red color. This is blue color. Here, we use blue to color the wall of the house. Blue color. Blue color. We use yellow color to color the door of the house. Yellow color. Pink color. Pink color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Green color. Green color. Green color. Yellow color. Blue color. Now, our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.